Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel to never miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. The central government has launched Palan 1000. It is the national campaign and parenting app that focuses on the child health. The app focuses on the cognitive development of the children in the first 2 years, whereas it will provide caregivers with practical advices on what they can do. India unveils monthly platform. It is for the better industry, research and development collaboration. It is powered by the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. The Manthan will help scale up interaction among stakeholders, facilitate research and innovation, and share challenges in various emerging technologies and scientific interventions. Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto has won the presidential election. Everyone is praising and celebrating Scotland because Scotland has become the first country to make period product free for all. The decision is a part of a global efforts to end period poverty. Period poverty refers to the social, economic, political, and cultural barrier to menstrual products, education, and sanitation. Let's understand where does India stand on the menstrual hygiene. According to the study conducted by the UNICEF in 2011, only 13% of girls in India are aware of menstruation before menarche, whereas 60% of girls miss their schools on account of menstruation, 79% feel low confidence, and 44% feels embarrassed and humiliated over the restriction those were imposed during the period. Let's understand what has India government has done till now. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has introduced a scheme for promotion of menstrual hygiene, that is menstrual hygiene scheme among adolescents girls in the age group of 10 to 19 years in the rural area. This is to increase awareness among adolescents girls on menstrual hygiene, to increase access and to use of high quality sanitary napkins to adolescents girls in rural area. The scheme will also ensure the safe disposal of sanitary napkin in an environmental friendly manner. The next scheme is Suchi scheme. Initially, it was a centrally sponsored one, but later on in 2015 and 16, the central government asked the state to take over the scheme. This scheme aims at instilling awareness about menstrual hygiene among the adolescents girls. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramanna said that the fundamental duties in the Constitution are not merely to serve up pedantic or technical purposes. Instead, they were incorporated as the key to social transformation, where citizens are aware, alert, and able to make the right decisions. He further said that our Constitution is the fundamental document which regulates the relationship between the citizens and the government. While it has granted us inalienable rights, it has also placed upon us certain fundamental duties. Let's understand the fundamental duties. The fundamental duties in Indian Constitution are inspired by the Constitution of USSR. We should remember that the fundamental duties were not a part of original constitution. In 1976, the Congress party set up the Sardar Swan Singh committee to make recommendation about the fundamental duties. The committee suggested to incorporate 8 fundamental duties in the constitution, but government included 10 fundamental duties in the part 4A with the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Originally 10 in number, one more duty was added through the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. All the 11 duties are listed in Article 51A. The fundamental duties are confined to the citizens only and do not extend to the foreigners. Some of them are moral duties while others are civic in nature. They refers to such values which had been a part of Indian tradition, mythology, and practices. Generally, fundamental duties are non-justiciable in nature, but in some cases, like insult of the national flag, momentum, or so on, they are justiciable. The Constitution does not provide for their direct enforcement by the court. However, Parliament is free to enforce them by suitable legislation. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback, and also press the subscribe button. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.